morning, students. As in the last class, we have started with the measures of correlation, and we have discussed the first measure, which was a graphical or diagrammatic method of measuring, rather knowing correlation, that was a scatter diagram. With the help of scatter diagram, we were able to know the degree of our correlation, that whether that correlation is a positive, whether that correlation between two variables is in positive or negative, and we could see the direction of our correlation. Okay, the degree and direction both are same things. Okay, if the direction is in the positive way, okay, then the degree will be always positive, and if the direction is downwards, that is a negative way, the degree will be negative. But what is the demerit of that scatter diagram? That we were not getting any particular value. We were not getting any particular exact value, a quantitative value. All right. So it is a demerit of scatter diagram, that in the scatter diagram we are not able to get the particular quantitative value of correlation. Whereas now the second measure that we are going to discuss, that is the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Karl Pearson was a famous statistician. Okay, Karl Pearson was a famous statistician, and he developed a particular formula. He developed a particular method through which we can measure correlation in quantitative terms. That we will, after solving that formula, after getting the data and putting that data in that particular formula, will be able to get a quantitative value, a numerical value, through which we'll be able to know the exact correlation between the two variables. Before, in the scatter diagram, we were not able to know the exact correlation. We just knew whether it is positive or negative. Okay. Now, with the help of Karl Pearson's coefficient is, you can say, it is a unit of correlation. Okay, coefficient means a unit of correlation, and we show it with small r. We show it with small r in this method. Okay. So what Karl Pearson developed, he said that if we want to calculate the correlation between any two variables, okay, or any two set of data, for example, we have x data and there is an x variable, and we have the data of that x variable, and we have y variable, and we have data of that particular y variable, then how will we able to calculate the correlation, the coefficient of correlation. Okay, he said that we have to take the summation of small x and small y. What is small x and small y? It is the deviation of a particular x variable from its respective mean. Okay. For example, if I am talking about small x, then it means x minus x bar. X means a particular variable, the value of variable of x series, and its mean. X bar is its mean. Okay, so everyone write it very carefully, because if you are not able to understand the formula, then you will not be able to calculate it. Okay, your small x is nothing but the difference between the x variable and its mean. And your small y, as I told you, there will be two series. So a small y is nothing but the difference between a particular y variable and its mean, that is the y bar. This mean is of series x. This mean is of series X, mean of series X, okay, and this mean by y bar, your y bar, it is the mean of series Y. Do not get confused, okay? This x bar is the mean of series X and y bar is the mean of series Y. Then he said that after getting the summation of x and y, what we will do? We will divide it by the square root of summation of x square into summation of y square. Okay, x square means whatever deviations we have got from the mean, by subtracting the mean of x and y, we will take the square of them and we will add it and we will put it under root. Okay, so this is the formula of direct method. That in direct method, how we will be able to calculate the correlation with the help of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. This direct method is generally used when the values are given in whole numbers, they are not fractions or decimals. The values are given in whole numbers. So the formula is summation of small xy upon summation of x square into summation of y square under root. Alright, so let us see an example, a numerical example through which we will be able to understand it very easily, that how to calculate the correlation in the direct method by using the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay, let us see, it is your example number 2 of the chapter. Example number 2 of the chapter. The question says calculate Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient between x and y from the data given below. Okay, so data 2 series are given, my x series are given. Alright, my x series are given. I will give some space because I have to calculate various things. And my y series are given. So what is the data that is given in the x series? It is given 12, 9, 8, 12, 9, 8, 10, 11, 13 and 7. And in your y series, what is the data given? In the y series, the data is given 14, 8, 6, 9, 11, 12 and 3. So I'm going to tell you a very easy method that how to calculate the coefficient of correlation. First, write the formula. Okay, because if you're writing the formula, students, then you will be able to understand it very carefully, very easily, that what things you need to know before calculating it. Okay, so first write the formula. We all know that the formula I've told you, the formula to calculate the correlation is under Karl Pearson summation of xy upon summation of x square into summation of y square root. Okay. So what is small x? Small x is nothing but x minus x bar. Okay. We all have x, various x have been given in the question. So to know the small x, we should know the x bar. That means the mean of the x series. And how we will calculate the mean of the x series? So to calculate the x bar, what we have to do? We do the summation of x and we will divide it by number of items. We will take the summation of x summation of capital X and divide it by number of items. So number of items, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items are there. And when you will add all the x variables, that is 12 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 and plus 7, then the answer that you will get, it is your 70. You get 70. So what will be the x bar? It will be 10. My x bar is 10. That is the mean of the series x is 10. Now when I have got the mean of series x, then it is very easy for me to calculate the deviations, to calculate the small x. What is the small x? X minus x bar. X bar is 10, we all know that. Okay. First, 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 equals to 2. It will be a positive 2. Okay. 9 minus 12 minus 3. Okay. Sorry. 10 here. 12 minus 10 plus 2. 9 minus 10 minus 1. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 10 0. 11 minus 10 positive 1. 13 minus 10 positive 3. 7 minus 10 negative 3. Okay, so this is how we have got the deviations of our x series. Okay. Likewise, to get the deviations of y series, we have to calculate the mean of y series. We will apply the same formula that y bar is your summation of y upon n. N is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is same, and when we will calculate the summation of y, that is 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 3, then we will get 63. 63. That means the y bar is equals to 9. The mean of the y series is equals to 9. So it is very easy for us again to calculate the deviations. This is calculate small y. Okay, to calculate small y. What is small y? Y minus y bar. जैसे हम लोगों ने small x calculate करा है, उसी मेथड से we will calculate small y. Okay, so 40. What is y bar? Remember that y bar is 9 over here. So 14 minus 9 positive 5. 8 minus 9 negative 1. 6 minus 9 negative 3. 9 minus 9 0. 11 minus 9 positive 2. 12 minus 9 positive 3. And 3 minus 9 negative 6. This we have got. So we have got the small x and we have got the small y. Now what things we have to get according to the formula? We have to know the summation of xy. Then we should know the summation of x square. Then we should know the summation of y square. Okay. So it is up to you. So let us calculate x square and y square. X square means कि हमारा जो भी ये small x निकला है उसको square में ले लेंगे, इसका हम square कर देंगे. और ये जो भी हमारा small y निकला है उसका square कर देंगे. Y square. So we get respective. We will get x square and y square respectively. So when you take the square of 2, 4, 1, 4, 0, 1, 9, 9. 25190496. Okay. So this is we have got 25190496. Now see again we will look at the formula. We have got x square, we have got y square. इनका सिर्फ हमें लास्ट में एडिशन करना होगा फॉर्मूले में पुट करने के लिए. Now we have to know the summation of x y, summation of small x y. That means we have to multiply x and y. All right, we have to multiply x and y. So let us calculate x and y over here. 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 3, 9. And 6 into 3, 18. Okay, so we have got x, y also. 10, 1, 6, 0, 2, 9 and 18. We have got everything. We have got x square, we have got y square, and we have got small x, y also. Summation is small x, y also. X, y means we have to take the product. Okay? Now we have to take the summation of each thing. Because in the formula, we have to put the summation of x, y. That means इसका total x, y का total लेना है. x square का टोटल लेना है और y square का टोटल लेना है. So when we'll add 10 plus 1 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9 plus 18, then you will get 46. Okay, then you will get 46. So I am writing the formula. What is the formula? Summation of x square upon summation of x square into summation of y square under this. So when I have added the summation of x y, when I have added this row, this x y, then I have got 46. So summation of x y is 46. Then take the summation of x square, we will add this row. 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9. Then I will get 28. So summation of x square is 28. And likewise, we will calculate the summation of y square by adding this row. 25 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 36. I will get 84. So I have got all three parameters. I have got the summation of x square, that is equal to 46. I have got the summation of x square, that is equal to 28. And I have got the summation of y square, which is equal to 84. Then I will put all the things in the formula. Summation of x square is 46. Summation of x square is 28. Summation of y square is 84. Under root. So we will solve it with the help of the bottomless only. First, let us multiply 28 into 24. By multiplying 28 and 84, what we are getting, students? Please calculate it, everyone. By multiplying 28 and 84. We get 2352. Is it right? And still it is in root. When we will multiply 28 by 84, we will get 2352. Is it correct? Students? Yes. Are you multiplying? Students, speak up.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Huh? Is the multiplication correct or not? 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is correct. Then we will take out the root. Okay, in your calculator you can see there will be the option of root. Root का एक option होता है. So वो apply करके write this 2352. Root का option press करके write 2352 and you will get something around 48.49. Okay.
Yes, sir.
48.4 you are getting. So we will only take the decimal के बाद जो first number है उसको लेंगे और उसको round off कर देंगे. ये 49 आ रहा है तो उसको 5 ले लेंगे. 48.5. Okay. So it will be 46 upon जब हम 2352 का root लेंगे so we will get 48.5. Then now you divide 46 divided by 48.5. 46 divided by 48.5. Your answer will be positive 0.948. 0.948. So it is a positive number. So we can conclude that it is positive correlation. And we can see that this value 0.948 it is very close to 1. ये 1 के बहुत करीब है. Then the degree of correlation is very high. X और Y में positive correlation है and the degree of correlation is very high because the value is close to 1. This is what we can